Everyone.
Ay, ganina, ingon mo to tayo.
Instructors in front who will be judging us for this morning.
Ay, ganina, appeal to nimo katong dance to every music.
Goals, art and actions, or what the people envision, what we intend to commit in the future. So my question is, what strategies and tactics would you use to achieve the goal of marketing? After interviewing our marketing manager in Little Center Hotel Resort and Spa, which is Mr. John Paul Nunez, he said that marketing is equals to money and good sales. And for that, there are strategies that will be applied and that to achieve that goal. And strategies like they're sticking also to the traditional way of media advertising, and they are also adapting to the digital marketing, which suits the adaptive world. By this, the goal of the company or the goal of the marketing office can be achieved with good communication, with leadership, and with participation of both the company, the marketing office, and its customers. They will surely have a good strategy and a good outcome for the company. Thank you.
Thank you, Vincent. Let's have a minute and be ready with the lab.